Hi, my name's Kevin and welcome to XTM Academy. In the age of Industry 4.0, significant transformation is taking place in the way goods and services are produced and delivered. Businesses are transforming digitally in order to stay competitive. Seamless connectivity is essential to flourish. All content systems and content processes need to work together seamlessly. XTM Cloud connects to many content systems, web content management systems, source control technologies, cloud service solutions, marketing automation platforms, and others. We call our solution XTM Connect. XTM Connect saves time, reduces file management efforts, cuts down on content turnaround times, and makes localization simple and efficient. Having a deep integration between your content system and translation supply chain reduces the need for file management. A request to translate content is initiated from within the content repository. The content is sent directly to XTM Cloud, where the process is managed. XTM Connect can identify any changes made to content. Then it will automatically update the source files in XTM Cloud, even while files are being translated. This is continuous localization. Using XTM Connect means the localization process can be entirely automated, while also giving the power and flexibility of XTM Cloud. Projects can be started automatically from the content repository, pre-translated using machine translation, then sent for human editing and other process steps. XTM Connect will pull the multilingual content back to your system so that you can immediately publish it on your website or prepare it for a marketing campaign. By using predefined XTM project templates, you can create localization projects automatically or customize the workflow. Content can be scheduled to be sent in a batch at specific times, reducing administration effort. The push and pull of content to and from XTM Cloud can be fully automated. The process works smoothly every time, with translation resources receiving all information necessary for translation. This means no human or communication errors occur, saving you costly rework and delays. It also reduces the number of manual repetitive tasks, including content imports, exports, and reviews. We call this intelligent automation. Many content management systems enable users to preview how content will look in context. XTM Cloud can replicate that during the translation and review process directly in XTM Workbench. Linguists can see how the translation will appear on the page while they are working. This significantly reduces the amount of rework and improves overall time to market. There are out-of-the-box XTM Connect solutions for all the major content platforms. With dedicated product and development teams, we regularly evolve our connector solutions to the next level. By keeping up to date with API standards and newer releases of content systems, security is optimized and integrations seamless. We constantly add and update XTM Connect, giving users a full range of platform integration choices and the latest security. In the digital content economy, connectivity ensures all content processing is automatic, efficient, and consistent. XTM Cloud provides a fully integrated translation management ecosystem where all types of content, marketing, technical, or development is automatically pushed from your content repository, translated, and made ready for publishing. Automate your content localization with XTM Connect. For more information or free trial of XTM Cloud, visit our website today. XTM Connect, helping all your content systems work together.